Alright folks, I'm Michael, this is Vintage Diesel Equipment Service, and today we're going to do a little something different. We're going to review a tool from, this is going to be Fab Heavy Parts Co. Ltd. And they reached out to me recently and asked me if I could do a little review on a drain pan. And I told them absolutely, I'd be happy to look into that thing. So just to kind of touch all the bases here, you're going to see a link to Fab Heavy Parts. Also should be a link down there in the old notes section. And about it, they say it holds up to 15 gallons of oil. It's perfect for larger jobs, made from high impact polypropylene to protect the drain from rust and corrosion while also being dent resistant and lightweight. That's pretty excellent. Hand pump, yeah, it's got a pump built into it. Hand pump allows you to quickly drain oil, antifreeze, and other fluids. Long reach T-handle makes the drain easy to place under a vehicle because this thing's on wheels, folks. Perfect for convenient storage, moving and pulling. And they say it's ideal also for low profile applications like trucks and SUVs and other small amounts of equipment, you know, tractors and that sort of stuff. So I'm really interested to see what's going on with it. So without further ado, let me get it open and look. All right, that's it all together, everybody. As you can see, your pump right here and everything. I tell you what, let's get to the job site. Let's see how it looks. Here we go. It rolls well. The casters make it pretty simple to get where it's going. I like that large surface area too. It's going to give me plenty of drain access. Rugged. That screen leaves you a place to set your wrench and your drain plug. Alright folks, so while the old drains, let's say a few things about, well, what I think so far. Packaging, top notch. Come with instructions, but you're probably not going to need it. And with that said, it went together really easy. That's about it. As you can see, it's got a lot of surface area, so it'll be really good at draining for you. It gives us plenty of space to set our oil filter while we're at it. Alright folks, my other impressions when it comes to it is I really do like the wheels. The casters, they do well out in the open, rolling around in the dirt and everything. And it really does have a low profile to it. So this thing's going to get where you need to go. For the case of this review, we're doing the manual one. So, essentially this has never been used. So, I guess if the hose changes colors, you're going to know that it works, huh? Oh yeah. Woo. Kind of gets after it. Let me situate back. I think it's safe to say that's all the oil I'm gonna get out. Give me a second. You know what? All right. As you can see, it done a really good job. I mean, it's pretty much all out of there. Okay. So, yeah, I'd say it's done a really good job. Just to point it out, for y'all wondering, typical draining pan style, as opposed to the unit on wheels, a lot more surface area. All right, everybody, as you can see, it looks like this little portable drain pan will probably suit your every need. So, very rugged, looks like it's going to be easy to maintain. Easy to clean too. Oh, this one plug right here. You're probably gonna want to take that out if you're using it for really low stuff. Then you can pop it right back in. That said, I'm certainly gonna make a lot of use out of this, and yeah, it's sure gonna make a difference for me. I bet it'll make a difference for you too. So, with that said, be sure to check out Fab Heavy. They've got, well, certainly a great 15-gallon mobile drain pan, and keep checking back and we'll see what else they have. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.